Coming at you with another unboxing video. Today I pulled up to the house and I was super excited to see my Fabfitfun box come in because I have been waiting for this. This is the spring box, and if you don't already know, the Fabfitfun boxes, they are, excuse me, you are noisy. The Fabfitfun boxes are seasonal boxes, and they are, I think, $40 a month. I think that's what I pay. I don't even know. It's really cool because when you first subscribe to the boxes, you have to fill out all your information, but it's like information like what kind of things you're into, what your hair type is, what your skin type is, all these personal questions about you, but like it's super cool because then they personalize the box to go around what is for you. So I've been really excited to open this. I have been holding myself back from watching unboxing videos on YouTube because I feel like I always watch them, and then when I get the box, I'm like not surprised when I see a lot of the stuff that I get because it's like the same or really similar. So I've been holding back from watching those videos because I want to see and be surprised, you know, what I get. So if you want to see me unbox the Spring Fabfitfun box, then keep on watching. So the box itself is really cute. It's like this pale yellow, and it has these like girls on it. Free people and understand leather. It says Chorus, I guess. KNC Beauty, Murad, so it's like a bunch of different brands. So I'm really excited. Dove, I love Dove products. I love Murad products. So really excited to open it. The box is super cute. I love how it has like all these different girls. Like this girl's doing like her face. This one's like relaxing, painting her nails. I say so too much and I'm starting to realize that. So, sorry. When you first open the box, it always gives you little like descriptions of what's inside. So let's open this bad boy up. This says, we're so excited for you to dig in and enjoy your spring box. Unfortunately, we've experienced a delay with the Anderson Lily candle, and we did not want to delay your box, so the candle will ship to you separately soon. Wow, that's so nice. We're very sorry. We've included an additional product in your box to thank you for your patience. Oh my God, that is super nice. But I love candles, so that's exciting. This is like a giant newspaper, and it tells you about the different products that you get in your box and the other products that if you didn't get them, they are like in the box, in other boxes. So gives you like the retail price and just some like basic information on it, how-tos, and it's really cool how they give you this. Ooh, $50 off Hello Fresh. Ooh, I always hear about this, and I've always wanted to try the frozen meals. They're like these meals that get delivered to your door, and I do like cooking, but I never know what to cook, and I'm always wanting to try new stuff. So that's really cool. $50 off seems really, really good. Right, let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. We have these earrings. These are so cute. I remember wearing dangly earrings so much in high school, and I want to wear them again, and I just like, I don't know which ones to wear, but these are super cute. So they're these gold earrings, and then they have these like peach colored and coral colored tassels on them. Super cute. We have this ish. This is a lip statement palette. With these nudes and pops of color, your lips will create a statement. These 11 intensely pigmented shades are enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera for extra moisture and easy wear. So I purposely didn't wear any lipstick today because I figured just in case, you know, the Fabfitfun box came with a lip, I could try it on. So maybe I will try one of these on. This is called I'm Smoking Hot. And, oh, this is cool. It has a really big mirror on it, so that's really nice. And then it comes with, you have nudes. It looks like this row is like peachy pink nudes, and then this is more pink, and then this is like red and berry color. That's really cute. They definitely have a good amount of colors in that. This will be really good to put in my makeup kit. I dropped my brush. It comes with this little brush, which I like. Let's try one of these on. I'm gonna try this one on right here. Ooh, that's nice. That's like a Your Lip But Better shade. If you hear a weird noise in the background, it's just the dog chewing her bone, so don't mind that. I'm gonna mix it a little bit with this lighter color here. It feels really super moisturizing, which I like. It looks a lot more red on camera, but It's more nude, pinky, peach in person, and I do like it. I like the way it feels, and I like the way it looks, so I'll be dipping into that. Thank you. Ooh, we did get a Murad product. Skin Perfecting Lotion. Lightweight, oil-free moisturizer provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract. It says to use. Massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. Follow with a Murad sunscreen during the day, and it is dermatologist developed. Let me just see how this feels. I love trying new moisturizers and skincare and face products because I just feel like you can never find something, like even if you love one product, like there could be so many more out there that are even better. So I love being able to try other products. I like the applicator, how it comes out with this little tube. Ooh. So there's no fragrance, no scent to it, which I like. I don't mind. I mean, I like fragrance, I like scents, does not matter to me, but I know some people are picky about that. That feels really good on the skin. It feels very moisturizing, but it's not super thick. It's very lightweight. So I was actually just looking for a new face moisturizer. I feel like this is a newer product too, because I don't remember seeing this when I worked at Ulta. Throwing that in the moisturizer drawer. This is catching my eye because it's really cute packaging. This is KNC Beauty, which I believe I did get some lip products or something from them before in my other Fabfitfun box. So it has this cute little baggie with all these kiss marks on it. And it's a glide open. Ooh. All natural collagen infused lip mask. This is cool. Directions: apply to clean lips for 15 to 20 minutes. Recommended use 2 to 3 times a week. I've always wanted to try a lip mask because I see people doing them all the time, and I've never got one or never tried one, so this is cool. I'll probably try it tonight. It comes with 5 of them, and then it comes in this cute little bag, so you can always just reuse the bag, so that's really nice. Next we have, oh my god, wait, this was under the one I just picked up, but this is so cute. Oh my god. I used to sleep with an eye mask regularly. Every single night. I think it was literally all throughout high school. Every single night, all throughout high school, I slept with an eye mask. And then I finally stopped just because I think I was like having sleepovers or something other places and I didn't want to like bring it with me. So I just kind of stopped using it. But I love these. Like, I think they're awesome. And this one, ooh, this one's got like gel in it. Wait a minute. Let's break out the newspaper and see what this is about. How to look like you got 8 hours of sleep. Springing forward usually means a few tired, groggy mornings. Instead of reaching for a double shot latte and your biggest pair of sunglasses, which we all do, give these I got a great night's sleep tips and tricks a try. So it says that pop the cooling pack in the fridge for about an hour, then place it back into the mask and let the coolness sit on your eyes for a while. This will help depuff the area and help relax the eyes a bit. Oh, so it opens up here. Okay. Oh, that is so neat. And then it has the cooling pack inside. So the cooling pack you can put in the fridge and then you put it on your eyes. This is amazing. I will use this all the time. I get headaches so frequently, and I feel like the only thing that feels good when I have a headache is putting like a cold rag or something over my head and my forehead, and this is gonna come in handy. And it's so stinking cute. Look, and you could wear it without, and it even adjusts. That's awesome. I'm excited for that. When I was first, oh my god, everything's distracting me underneath of this big thing because I can't tell what this is, but I'm seeing all these things under it. This is a good box. There's a lot in here. We have this reusable, looks like little eco-friendly bag. And inside, feels like leather. Ooh, that's cute. So we have a little bag here and opens up and it goes all the way in. This is nice. And then is it like, so it looks like there's like a little, okay, it's like a divider. On the inside, there's like a divider on the very bottom. So this is really cute. Very chic. I love it. And you can fit a lot in there. That's like a decent size. Cool. And this is from Rachel Pally. Let's see what they say about this. Okay, so it folds over actually. So you can fold it over either way, so that way the design's on the outside. So you'd actually fold it this way. That makes sense. That looks a little cuter. I mean, either way, it looks pretty good, but that makes more sense. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wish I got this one because this looks like so much more me. The boxes are usually all pretty similar, but like different shades or different colors or something like that. So it did come with like an orangey one. This is the one I got, and then this is like a pink and green with palm leaves. That's more my style, but that's okay because this one's still really cute. Moving on, we got this little guy here, Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. This we used to sell at Ulta. I don't know if they still do anymore, but when I worked there, they did. And it was a really good nail polish for just like nail polish in general, or they had stuff for like cuticles, oils, those kind of things, and they were always pretty good. Oh yeah, look, there's a little 20% off coupon in there for Ulta, so I guess they do sell them there. So this is a peptide-infused concealer and treatment anti-aging ridge filler. So this, you apply, it says 1 to 2 coats on natural nails as a treatment or under polish as a base coat. I do get my nails done. I currently have been getting the SNS powder, but I love having one of these on hand. And I've actually, that's so weird because the one I have is running low. I have an OPI one right now and it's like almost gone. And I do love having something like this because if one of my nails pops off, or if I decide to give my nails a little break for a while of the fake nails, I love having one of these handy to put on my nails and keep them, you know, thick and healthy and not breaking or thin. So I'm glad I got another one of those because I did need a new one. These things are catching my eye. What the heck is this? It looks like a dog toy. What is this? Massage roller, serious results and serious relief. This is going to hurt like a, oh my God, how do you, let me try this real quick. Ooh, wow, that's nice. Okay, that hurts. That's gonna feel great for my muscles. So it looks like we have 2 more things in here. I'm seeing a Dove product. Ooh, I wanted to try this so bad. This is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I have been wanting to see this. I've been seeing it all over. You know how like Snapchat has like those quick little ads and stuff, and Instagram does too. And I have been dying. I was like, I need to get this. I need to try it. This is the Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk Body Polish. I am so excited to try this. So it does have 3 scents. It has a cucumber one, it looks like, the one I have, and then it looks like maybe a berry-ish one. It says how to use in shower or bath. Scoop a generous amount of body polish with your hand, spread all over body in a circular motion, and rinse. I am so excited to try this. I am definitely trying this in my next shower. Ooh, we got a Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. This brand I got in the Fabfitfun box before in a leave-in conditioner, and I went through that leave-in conditioner so fast. I loved it. It wasn't like anything that was really heavy and weighed down my hair, and it was just, it worked so well with my hair, and the scent was really nice and light, and I really liked it. So this I'm excited to try, and of course I've actually been looking for a new blowout, like dry cream. I have a Kenra Blow Dry Heat Protecting Spray, and I love that, but it's almost gone. So this, I don't know if it's gonna be like similar, or we'll see. It's a heat protectant cream, so definitely down to try that, and I'm excited to. It smells so good. It smells like the leave-in conditioner, which was just like that nice and light smell. I cannot say that there is one thing in this box that I don't think I will get use out of. This was one of my favorite boxes for sure. I'm super excited about this box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.